Hello everybody. This is Jerry. I'm so excited. I just hit 700 subscribers, and that's a special number. Um, and thanks to Jared Scott. So he said that he's the 700th subscriber. So thank you so much. And I told him that I was gonna give him a shout out. And he's from Scotland. He has a dog, and he makes good videos. Like he goes walking and exploring the Mother Nature, and it's real beautiful. Like I said, I'm sorry about the lighting on the phone, but I haven't had time to correct it on the computer, so that's why I'm still using my phone. But hopefully soon I can use the computer. But anyways, here's my seventh 700 subscribers. So please subscribe to him, Jagger Scott, and he will subscribe back. And what I have been doing lately is like I haven't been doing nothing. I've been my back is still been hurting. It has been healing a little bit. It's just gonna take time, and at the end probably it will never heal. Who knows? I just need to keep doing exercises, stuff like that. But my point is I'm not gonna give up. 700 subscribers is real awesome. And lately I've been just watching a lot of YouTube videos and working on my channel and stuff like that. As you can see, all this windows open over here. I've been supporting lots of people, and for some reason, I don't know if you are a victim like me, but I've been spending lots of hours just on YouTube, watching anything, learning new stuff. I haven't even had time to be watching movies like I used to on the TV, So I don't know if y'all can relate to that, but that's what I've been doing. So my plans are now is to get real motivated, set goals to hit 1,000 subscribers, um, and do whatever I can. Like I said, my back has been feeling a little bit better, but still, I don't want to force myself to start doing, like scrapping and stuff like that. Because what about if I left something and my back goes back to where it was, where I'm like hurting? So I'm gonna give it some time, a few months or so it can recuperate. Um, I've been taking my medicine. I've been applying heat and cold packs on my back. I've been doing exercises. I've been doing everything. And tomorrow I'm gonna go see the spinal cord doctor and see what's the next step. Hopefully they can do chiropractor, more medicine, injections, stuff like that. Whatever they can to help me out. Um, so in a few months I can be strong again. But my thing is this. I'm telling you all this stuff because I want y'all to learn from me that no matter all the problems that I've been having, health problems, I'm still not gonna give up. I'm gonna be strong and try my best to keep moving forward. Lately, I've been feeling like I cannot do nothing. Like if I'm in a prison or something, like where I cannot get out and perform my duties where I need to be doing, like I used to. The scrapping videos, I used to love making them and stuff like that. But then winter came, and that's when I started having back problems. My back started feeling stiff and stuff like that. So the winter